Hello everybody, welcome to Astraeakeva. I am Ao. It's a pleasure meeting you all. This is my very first voiceover video for this YouTube channel, and so I just thought I should say hi. And in today's video I am going to talk about the topic of if these exercises that I'm doing actually do work. In terms of exercises, I mean gesture drawings, construction drawings, all the little drawings that I've been doing lately. Right now this is going to be record 26, and so I'm keeping record of my art journey, so that's why I call them records. So do they really work? Well, I just have to look back at what was my original purpose when I started everything that I'm doing right now. So at the beginning, let me say for almost 6 years, I've been doing traditional art. I did a lot of reference art, portrait drawings for semi-realistic art, and so I've been using traditional media like charcoal and graphite to draw faces and objects. So I kind of know how to do those things on traditional dry media, but this was my first time of creating digital art for two purposes. The first is that I want to create webcomics. I like writing short stories and longer stories, and I've written a few which I've not published, but I thought, in my opinion, it's better for me to create a visual medium for my story. And so I thought about webcomics, but I did not have any knowledge about imaginative art or art from the imagination. So that is when I took some online courses. You can find online courses, for example, on Udemy or Domestika, and so I started taking those online courses, but I was very unmotivated. I did not have the patience to go through all my coursework, and I just felt as though it was like meaningless. Then I decided I'm gonna start a YouTube channel and Instagram page where I'm showing my progress, and also create semi-realistic rendering of some of the art that the illustrations that I'm doing on my other YouTube channel. So that's kind of where this YouTube channel came into being. Doing the exercises have really helped me, not only building a visual library for human bodies and objects, but also kind of drawing good illustrations for my other YouTube channel. So I take the illustrations from my other YouTube channel and I render them on this YouTube channel. And while I'm drawing, I'm able to add limbs to the portrait illustrations that I'm doing on my Aoisis Art YouTube channel. And so far, it has really helped me. I'm able to draw maybe a face, and without looking at a reference, I can draw a body on that face. So what I'm trying to say is that, do these exercises work? Yes. but there's a catch. I always watch YouTube videos and tutorials and people that I look up to in the art industry who say things like, you need to keep drawing, but I wish that they could explain what they mean by keep drawing what, and so I kind of had to figure it out for myself. Keep drawing things that you're going to use in the future. So I'm going to keep drawing human bodies, and I'm going to keep drawing objects like cups and maybe sofas and beds and all of that, because I will use these items in my semi-realistic rendering, which I will later on create novel covers and webcomic covers, and also the webcomic. So I have to know how to draw clothing, so that's what I'm going to study next. So don't just keep drawing whatever. Keep drawing things that interest you, I guess. Maybe that's what they should say on the channels, like, or social media pages. Keep drawing things that you will use later on in your art journey. Keep drawing things that will be important to you. So these exercises only work for me because I have a goal. I really don't know when the webcomic is going to come out, although I have a storyline and I have all my plot figured out, and I have my synopsis figured out, my characters. I already have all my characters in place and everything. I still don't know when I'm going to release my webcomic because I'm kind of self-conscious. I don't think that I'm at a place where I can draw a really good webcomic with the lively characters. I mean, these exercises are kind of helping me create lively characters, but I'm still not at a point that I want to be. So only the goal is keeping me going. And also, number two, the reason why they work is because, like I said, I'm working on topics that interest me. So I think it's bad to do these exercises without a reason. If I just draw cylinders and spheres simply because I want to draw cylinders and spheres and cubes, I think it's meaningless. But because I kind of know, like, oh, if I turn this cube around, I can draw the back of somebody's, body or something like that. So yeah, that's kind of, I don't want to repeat the same thing. I don't want to be redundant in my words, but that's about it. I'm really happy that I'm able to implement what I'm studying in my online courses. I am, return on investment. That's what business people say, right? So I'm kind of seeing a return on investment, but only when I practice what I learn, and I have a goal. So yes, they work. These exercises most definitely work. And if you are taking courses or you are trying to study, I hope maybe you could use these ideas that I have to create your own art. So yes, that's the end of my video for today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What do you guys think about these voiceovers? Should I do more? Please let me know in the comments. And thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a great day. Bye.